Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use TikTok emojis. It's actually a very simple and interesting video that I think you'll like, and it works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making it, please give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is go over to TikTok and you want to have the latest version, obviously, so you want to have updated TikTok recently. You want to click on the plus icon like you would normally and just record a video that's at least 3 seconds. Click on the check mark, and here you want to head over to the bottom where it says stickers. Stickers, it's at the bottom. Click on stickers, and the first option is stickers, but the second option is actually called emojis. So you want to click on stickers and then click on emojis. And on emojis, you find all the emojis your heart desires. You can add them in, you can play with them as much as you want, or you can just delete them. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. You can give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you're new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below.